have PCOS and wonder what foods can help you manage it? Stick around as I'll share one diet tip that could make a huge difference. One of the most important things for women with PCOS is to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of food groups. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, roti and whole wheat bread can help keep your blood sugar levels stable, which is key for managing PCOS. Adding lean protein like chicken, lentils, or tofu to your meals can help keep you full and support healthy hormone levels. Don't forget healthy fats. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, avocados, and olive oil can help improve hormone balance. Fiber-rich foods like seasonal fruits and vegetables are great for PCOS. They help with digestion and keep your blood sugar steady. Avoid refined carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugary snacks. They spike blood sugar and worsen PCOS symptoms. Too much sugar can cause weight gain and worsen insulin resistance, both of which can make PCOS harder to manage. Staying hydrated helps with digestion and keeps your energy levels great. Herbal teas like green tea or spearmint tea may help reduce insulin resistance. They also support hormone balance. Adding anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and ginger to your diet can help reduce the inflammation that often comes with PCOS. Portion control is key. Eating smaller portions can help manage weight and keep your blood sugar levels steady. Try eating smaller, frequent meals throughout the day. This helps control hunger and keeps your energy levels consistent. Here's one diet tip that can make a huge difference. Follow a low glycemic index diet. This includes foods that don't spike blood sugar, like beans, lentils, and leafy vegetables. Want more tips on managing PCOS with diet? Subscribe for more PCOS tips.